Hey everybody, it's Richie again. Just doing a real quick video on showing you. I'm doing a little project here. As you can see in front of me in the video, this is Jack Sparrow from Pirates of the Caribbean, and it's pretty highly detailed. And here I have a skull head from the pirates, and it's also got real knives coming through. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know, and a very sharp tool onto the skull, and it has pirates and of the high seas. I don't know if you can see this, and the curse, and the treasure. Anyway, the reason I'm showing you this is because I just picked up this little model, and it's basically a pirate ship. It's called the Black Diamond, and I saw it. I said, "Oh, this would look good with this, you know, built up, weathered." And I said, "You know what? I'm just gonna do this. I figure it's a quick little build, and I'll show you real quick what it is. It's a snap-cut kit, and it's the Black Diamond." And it looks like it's got a nice little skull on the sails, and it's got the pirate flags, and you can see some cannons. So let me open it up and see what we got here. So basically, I'll rip the plastic off here. And I saw it, so I said, you know what, it'll go good with these things. So I figured I'd do a real quick little build. Maybe I'll weather this up. Get it open and show us. Oh, here, what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here's some pictures more. I mean, it looks like a nice build here. And here's all the parts. Guess over the mass. And you can see the size of the ship. So the size of the ship is, I would say it's about 7 inches, 6-7 inches long. And there's some more parts. There's one side of the ship. And of course there's instructions. And it's the Black Diamond pirate ship. Again, it looks like a nice little kit. It's known on the high seas, nothing is feared more than the sight of the Black Diamond. Its crew of ruthless pirates sweep down upon defenseless ships and rob them of all their on board. But if they were ever caught, it would be a long walk off a short gangplank for each and every pirate. So, this is a pretty big instruction manual here for this little ship. So it's pretty detailed instruction. There's a lot of steps here. Here's the sails. I guess the sails I gotta cut out paper. So were the decals. And I remember this kit when I was a kid and built it. I used to have plastic sails. But anyway, this is what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully it's like a little quick kit. I figured it would go good with this with the pirate skull and Jack Sparrow. Okay, hope you guys like it.